Bye view. Ito yung aming lugar dito. Tingnan nyo. Super different. Tingnan nyo. Super different doon sa aming apartment na isa. Which is good kasi ito, ground floor ba? So, ayan o. I'm feeling the, nature. You enjoying it, nak? This is what it looks like here. Tingnan nyo. Diba? Super green. Super green ang tiyan sa bata. So you can see the whole Brisbane city from here. All our bags are packed and ready to go. Alis na naman kami, guys. Goodbye, hotel. Ay, apartment pala. We are ready. Wala na kasi. We're checking out now, guys. It's nearly 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock na pala ngayon. Tingnan nyo. Okay na yung niya, guys.
Where's my lunchbox?
Where is it? Okay na, guys. Nilagyan namin nung cream kagabi. You wanna be sorry? Yeah? So don't do it again, okay?
Okay.
You're being naughty, my love. It makes me really upset.
But where's my crown lunchbox?
Where is it, Daddy?
Which one?
The lunchbox with all these. Daddy's ready na, guys. Oh,
it's in here.
babiyahe na siya. Oh, it's here. There you go.
This is my lunchbox.
Okay, we have to go now. Say bye. Bye, view. Hindi na, apartment yung pupuntahan namin ngayon, guys. Yung na lang. Medyo, what's that about unit? The one we're staying now?
Kangaroo Point.
Yeah, I mean, is it a unit? It's not.
Oh yeah, I think it's a unit.
Yeah. So, it's a ground floor. So, that's perfect. Kasi hindi ko talaga bet tong mga ganito, guys. Yung mga elevator. Lalayas na si ate. Dito kami ngayon sa lobby, guys. Kasi kailangan bumalik ni Daddy Mike doon sa taas. Ang dami kasi naming mga bagahe ba, hindi namin madala. The same time. Ayan. Kaya pabalik-balik si Daddy Mike 3 times. Sobrang cool dito, guys. Oh, pag sa labas, grabe. Sobrang init. Kahit walang araw, guys, mainit pa rin. Hey, kamusta na? Show tita your outfit, be. Be, walk like a model.
Like this model walk?
Yes, it's a model walk, my love. We get your bag, anak. Someone's gonna take your bag. Ito yung isa dito ay gising. Ay, gising! I thought you were sleeping! I thought you were sleeping, ano? Hello, my little princess! Don't worry, anak. There's not many move now. Here, magstay kami dito sa puntahan namin for 2 weeks. Hopefully, by then, ay makakalipat na kami. Nak-nak! Kikiliwa! Maaga na itong nagising kanina, guys. Agang nagising ba? Good girl man yung baby mama. Ito ang pa-outfit ni mami niyo, guys. Ayan.
A few moments later.
12 o'clock na, guys. Nandito kami ngayon sa Airbnb sa Kangaroo Point. And ito yung aming lugar dito. Tingnan nyo. Super different. Tingnan nyo. Super different doon sa aming apartment na isa. Which is good kasi ito, ground floor ba? So, ayan o. I'm feeling the, nature. You enjoying it, nak? This is what it looks like here. Tingnan nyo. Diba? Super green. Super green ang tiyan sa bata. Alam niyo ba? Ito yung mga, namin mga bagahe, guys. Oh, kasi early kaming dumating dito. Yung may-ari dyan ay naglilinis pa. I can't push you hard, nak. There's not enough space. Ang bait kong may-ari guys, pagdating namin dito, nilagay niya to agad para daw ma-enjoy ni Tars. Duyan. Daddy Mike natin ay wala dito ngayon guys kasi bumalik siya doon sa apartment. Alam niyo ba, nakalimutan namin ang isang, well actually, nung nasa baba na kami, we already figured out na nakalimutan namin ang isang bagahe. Ito pang mga bagahe pa nitong batang ito. Yung mga damit niya. So, naiwan doon sa kwarto kasi daddy lang yung naghakot, diba? And then, wala na kaming key kasi naibalik na, iniwan na doon sa taas. Sinabi ni Daddy Mike doon sa sa may-ari na babalik na lang siya. So pagdating namin dito, bumalik siya kaagad. Yes, anak. Para kunin yung isang bagahe. What is it, anak? Push. Malapit lang din to siya sa city, guys. At least 10, 12 minutes drive. Auntie, tabi ako kaya baby. Auntie, baby. Auntie. That is here. Who are you?
Huh?
Who are you?
I'm obsessed.
Why?
I got that thin.
Why?
Other than that, I'm fine.
Still not? De? Tingnan niyo yung bagahe guys. Yun yung naiwan. Nasira kasi yan guys. Wala lang yung kanyang wheel fortune. Alam niyo ba, may malaking problema yan si Daddy Mike. Hindi naman sa malaki, but yeah, problema. Kasi nag-message sa kanya kanina yung landlord namin sa Melbourne. Kasi, di ba yung may skip sa labas? Yung mga malaking basurahan ba? Kung saan nilagay lahat ng Daddy Mike yung mga basura sa bahay. Hanggang ngayon pala, hindi pa pinick up. Ang usapan ni Daddy Mike tsaka yung yung may-ari ng skip ay 2 days after nilang dinrap yun. So, it's been like nearly 2 weeks na hindi pa pala pinick up guys. Kung hindi kami sinabihan ng landlord, ay hindi namin malalaman na yun pala yung mga nangyayari doon. So, yung yung kapitbahay daw namin ay not happy kasi di ba mga rubbish yun doon. So, anong tawag ito? Meron na sigurong nangamoy. Tapos, yun, di ba malaki yung bin doon. Yung garbage na merong sa ilalim may mga grass, di ba? Yung mga damo ay namatay na kasi natabunan ng nung skip nga. Kaya ito si Daddy Mike ay hindi masaya. So, hopefully, tinatawagan ni Daddy Mike, hindi sumasagot yung may-ari ng bin, guys. Walang hiya yun siya. Walang hiya yun siya, nak, no? Na? Hindi nila pinick up ang ating basura, na? Sabi ni Daddy Mike, buti na lang yung landlord namin ay mabait.
A few moments later.
We're on our way to grab something to eat. Awesome. Alright, princess. Bye!
Let me fix your shoes.
Naglilinis pa yung may-ari, guys. Kasi dapat mamaya pa kami mag-check-in. Pero pinayagan niya kami. Very nice. She's very nice, Nadia.
You like the place inside?
Huh? Yeah.
It's fine, that's nice and clean.
Yeah.
Bigger, it's a bit bigger too. It's bigger than what I thought it was going to be.
Yeah.
I thought it was going to be like, sort of like one big room, if that makes sense.
Yeah.
Like a bedroom. But it's nice that it's like sectioned all off.
Yeah.
She said come temperature.
The coffee. The cafe is just here.
She said that makes it a nice Asian food too.
Cool. Alright. Huh?
Vietnamese.
Vietnamese na ba? Alright, come in, Taras. Tingnan nyo, pinadalahan pa ng popcorn. I'm gonna get something to eat. And we need to go to the first office. Oh, we honey! We just get out from the post office, guys. May pinadala na naman si mami nyo. Businesswoman talaga si mami nyo, guys. Kahit nandito kami, first day namin dito sa dito sa bagong Airbnb namin, ay kailangan pumunta ng post office. Ganyan talaga ang buhay, guys, ng dito ng businesswoman. Kasi di ba may binibenta ako online and all, yung mga bags and yung aking mga some of my jewelries and all. So may bumili and yun, kailangan kong isend. Hindi ko pa nga pinasok talaga yung bahay. Like, hindi ko pa na-inspect yung loob ng bahay, guys. Nakapasok ako konti sa bedroom kasi binihisan ko ang ating baby Celine na nandito. Hello? Hello? Can you see yourself? Ha? Binihisan ko si baby Celine para makaalis na agad kami kasi alam nyo, baka mag-close ang post office. And nagme-message na sa akin yung bumili ng ng necklace ko, ng chain ko kasi daw for some pang birthday gift daw nila. Actually, Pinay pala siya, guys, dito sa Brisbane. So sabi niya pang pang birthday present daw nila, ganito ganyan. Sabi ko, I'll just send the express post. So yeah, I hope it will get there in time. Yeah, needed to pay extra for that. Kasi I only charge like $10 for postage. Pero pag express and all, it's nearly $17. But you know, that's okay. I just hope they will get there in time kasi pang birthday gift daw. And now, tingnan niyo habang nagsasalita ako ay nakatutok siya sa akin.
some light up?
So now we're just gonna have a look around, guys. We'll see what's available here. Actually, yung post office nila is only 9 minutes walk from the house, and then sobrang daming shops dito, surrounded by the shops and all, guys. So very handy for us kasi we don't need a car to go to do
The Coles.
meron silang Coles yan, o supermarket. Yung post office ay nandyan lang, so it's good.
A few moments later.
So we're back home, guys. I'm just gonna give you a quick tour kung nasaan kami ngayon nag-stay. So ito yung front yard. I showed it to you before. So this is the little veranda. Sobrang cool dito, guys. Kasi mainit sa labas, but with, you know, the trees and all, super ganda ng ihit ng hangin. So kakarating lang talaga namin. Ayan yung aming na family from Coles. They've got a little dito, lamesa, and our little girl. Hello, princess. Yan. And then here's the inside. So pagkapasok niyo, guys, merong ganito, like dining table, kitchen. It looks real clean. Little fridge, my toaster. Yeah,
It's actually really cute inside.
yeah.
Yeah, go have a look. Like, I didn't see it. I didn't go and have a look.
Can you pick up Celine quickly? And what's this one?
Toy, Daddy.
Microwave.
Funny toy.
Oh, Daddy, they've got like coffee maker, Daddy.
Yeah, it's in it.
Show me, Nak. What's inside, Nak? Show me. Show me.
And then Princess, we got Princess Celine.
Daddy.
Jeez. Very cool in here, Jude.
Daddy.
So this is the little, ang tawag dito? How do you call it, Daddy? Living room.
It's cute.
TV.
That's a nice table.
Daddy.
Yeah.
Daddy, look.
Solid wood.
Yeah.
Couch. And ganito. And then they've got mirror there.
Wow, look at this thing.
May pabook pa silang nalalaman dyan. And then, here's our bedroom. Puno ng bagahe. They've got the fan. Sobrang cool ng kanilang fan. There's the bed. We've got this mirror. Sliding
I'm
mirror.
playing game with you.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll
There
play.
na ko. There na ko.
We'll play. What's the finishing?
We'll just have a look here na what's in here. Oh, cool.
That's it.
There you go. There's a little, lahat dito, guys, dito. Kasi maliit talaga siya. Ayan. How do you call this one?
Sink.
Sink.
Nice.
Bath. Oh, di ba? Bongga ang kanilang, sarado sa na inodoro. Shower. Yeah. Ang ganda ng tiles. I like it. Washing machine.
That reminds me of what's her name's house?
Jenny.
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, yun lang yun, guys, no? Sobrang lang ng ating door. Ganda. Oh, ganda to. Oh, very cool. Oh, this is nice. It's like air conditioner. Portable one. Guess, anak? Tabi ako. Yab. Careful, meron pa silang. See? Oh, palabas. Oh, ganda.
Mommy.
No. We have to eat, we have to put everything away first, na? And then we can eat because I am hungry. Nanik! So we're gonna put Celine on the floor. Somewhere here. Oh, see. Why? I'll sit next to her. Ganda ng kanilang art. Big girl ni mama. Oh, daddy. Celine, baby girl. Do you like your new house, honey? Always palipat-lipat, nak, no? Sige lang, nak. Go find our place. Na-surprise si Daddy Mike, guys, kasi akala niya sobrang liit ng place na to. Akala nga namin wala kaming malalagyan ng mga bagahe namin. But surprisingly, may enough space sila dito. We're going to stay here for 2 weeks, Daddy, yeah?
Yeah.
2 weeks. At kahit na makakuha man kami ng place or ma-approve man kami ng place for rent before 2 weeks, we will still stay here kasi nabayaran na to ng buo, guys, eh. Nabook na kasi to even before pa kami pumunta dito sa Brisbane. So kung makuha man kami, kung maging lucky man kami at ma-approve yung first application namin ni Daddy Mike, then it will give us opportunity. Yes, Daddy. Relaxing na si Celine. Daddy Mike, gusto niya akong tumingin sa fridge kasi may iniwan daw ko nung this one. This record. Yeah, she told me.
Cereal and eggs.
She told us.
Cereal and eggs.
Yeah, she's very nice. The host.
That Rocky Bird was like $30 though.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's $1 league.
Ayun yung mga napamili namin. Bumili ako nito para diretso na. Even though meron silang ganito. Coffee maker. Some cup noodles. Gravy kasi magluluto sa Daddy mamaya ng steak. Meron pa mango, coconut, favorite, banana, bread.
Mommy.
Yes, ate?
You want to try?
Yeah.
This one. Come over.
Okay.
Hey, open it.
So, even though yung daan, dyan, main road yan dyan, guys, kung naririnig yung maraming sasakyan, nakalak naman to siya, so it's not scary, not dangerous for people.
And I can
Here you go.
do that.
Palilak lang muna kami dito, guys. Nakaka-tired yung palipat-lipat, oy.
Mommy, look at this. Look.
Good girl. Nak, let's drink something sa anak. I'm so thirsty. Come on. Wala ka.
See, chili?
Yeah. Tingnan niyo, guys. Meron kasing fan. Nagising siya from her nap and she's just chilling. Do you like? A ding 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 ding. A ding 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 ding. Eee! Very comfortable siya dyan, no? I knew it, guys. Kapag gusto ni baby Celine yung bed, she'll just be calm and just, relaxing. Katulad nung doon kami sa Melbourne na hotel. Yeah! She loved the bed. She just wanna lay down in bed. Tapos nakakatulog na lang siya. Hindi siya umiiyak. No! We love you. Bibili talaga kami ng magandang bed, guys, para matulog si Siri na hindi umiyak. Nak na. Big girl. Ang dami pang i-organize dito, guys, oh. So, ilalagay namin yan siya sa ano kasi, di ba? 2 weeks din kami dito, guys. So, you know, feel at home, anak. Again na. No, ni Celine. Ay, laway-lawas.
Celine?
Hablo ka, ate. Peekaboo.
Mahirap.
Nilabas na lahat ni Ate Paris ng mga laruan, no? Peekaboo! Gentle, nak. Be gentle with Celine, honey. Tingin, big. Giti ko lang kaning bataan niya. Ay. Tingnan nyo, guys. Meron siyang ganito dito. Parang dimple yan siya. Nana? Yeah, that way. Thanks.
Baway, mabay. Kalau sa sagas.
Okay, we'll just go that way. We're coming across. Yeah.
Mommy, I
So dito kami.
go there.
Where?
There's swimming.
We need to cross the road.
We're out, guys.
Oh, I
Nag-walking kami. Tingnan nyo. Here's the city. So, alam niyo ba? What is it, Nana?
I want to go swimming.
What is it?
I want to go swimming.
Ano, nabuang ano siya mag-swimming. Suba. That's a building, guys. Oh, diyan kami nag-stay. That building.
No.
Diyan kami nag-stay. Last time. Oh, last time kagabi. Sa building na yan. That's in the city. So, we're just across the river. So, ito yung tubig dyan, guys. Across the river. Nak, you wanna take a photo with him, Nak? Here. Have a look. See?
I don't No, Mom, I don't.
Okay. Keep going.
And Daddy goes this way. And swimming.
Oh, lovely. Oh, you can see the whole thing here.
Daddy, hurry, I want to see the one.
Yes, Ate. Yes, the river. So you can see the whole Brisbane city from here. Daddy, no, that's a building. Daddy, no, that's the hotel.
Yeah.
So we used to walk there. Diyan kami naglakad papunta doon. Kung saan naligo si Paris. Hindi talaga siya malayo, guys. The city.
Daddy, I want to go swimming.
The swimming's really far away, princess.
Do you wanna go swim in the
You can go some of the river.
river? How about you, Anak? Do you wanna swim in the river, Nana? Tiki tiki tiki. Bumili ako nito, guys. Oh. Hair pain. Para sakit ng ulo. Sakit ang aking ulo. Tingnan niyo to, oh. Kanina pala nagsend ako ng picture sa sa family ko ba. Kasi may nakita akong santan. Tapos ngayon, ito siya, bougainvillea. Tingnan nyo, bulaklak niya. I know it's bougainvillea. Very tropical talaga yung mga tanim nila dito, guys. Brisbane Raw FC. Wave na! Wave! There.
A few moments later.
We have to eat. Gusto nang manood ni baby. Ate Paris ng Diana daw. Ang matching anakan. That is cooking dinner, man. There. Steak. Oh, I want mango too. I think sexy ng ating chef, oh. Gusto ni Daddy kumain dito sa labas, guys. So, see, this is what it looks like here. Iwan lang yung pram dito sa labas. Yan. Christmas pa. Yan yung nagsisilbing light. Yan, Christmas light. Ayan. Kasi, meron naman dito, oh. I think we can turn this on. Kung kailangan. Paris is very excited, guys, kasi sabi ng may-ari na minsan daw, may possum daw na pumupunta dito. Kaya gusto niyang kumain dito sa labas para makita daw niya. Diba? Chef. Tingnan nyo, kalat na naman dito. Ganyan talaga nangyayari kapag may bata. Ang ating baby Celine ay sleeping na. Dito pa to siya kasi we organized that before. Sa... Ayan. No, tulog. No, baby girl. Sleeping Beauty. So, dito namin nilagay. Ito yung mga, for the kids. Yan yung naiwan kanina sa hotel, guys. And then, ayan, hinang na ni Daddy Mike yung mga gagamitin niya for work. Kasi alam nyo, mag-start siya ng, diba, next Monday. So, nandito kami pag-start niya ng work. So, ayan, hinang niya dyan. And then, yung mga nappies, nilagay ko dyan. Ayan, for Celine sa taas. Tapos, kay Ate Paris dito sa baba. And then, yung mga hindi talaga namin kailangan, hindi namin binubuksan palagi na luggages, dyan namin nilagay. And also, that white, kasi yung mga laman yan ay mga lang, bags and oko. So, hindi talaga yung mga damit. Ito yung mga damit ko. And then, some there. Ito kay Daddy Mike. So, sabi niya, ilalabas daw niya yung susuotin niya talaga. And then, he'll keep that luggage next to the white one. Para malinis kaming tingnan dito. Ma-organize naman. Yeah. That's it. Kakain na kami ng dinner ngayon. You excited na?
Pero sakto naman kasi
Are you excited for your dinner? Tingnan niyo ang kanyang paa. Tingnan niyo may pula-pula. Lagyan namin ng green yan tonight. Naging okay na naman yung ano niya. Tingnan niyo. Nak, hindi ka manok namin? Tingnan. Ubusin. Okay na siya. Grabe yung power ng cream na yun, guys. Nak, do you like it here na? Yeah. You're such a big girl na, nak. Oh. Look at mommy. See your face. Naka-big thing. Hi guys, 9:30 ng gabi. And nag-bath ang ating Ate Paris. Then you're fresh na
Mom, where's my mole here?
See, this is your mole. See? Small one. Can you see it?
I got one here.
Oh, there's one here too. Wow. Yeah, just like Mama, yeah?
I got some.
Oh. So, nag-bath kami, guys. Nalagay ko na rin yung mga, yung cream niya para sa kanyang...
I don't have more on my head.
No.
Why you got one in your head?
Mama's got one, see? Very big.
Mommy, I wish I can have a big one like that.
Yeah?
But I don't feel I got some.
Nah, no more. I think that's it. So, ayan, nalagay na yung cream, guys. Ito, actually, tingnan nyo.
My
Looks better na, no?
Mommy, where's mine other spot?
Tingnan nyo, pakita nyo yung iba. Ayan, pero hindi na. Sobrang powerful talaga ng cream na yan, guys. Anyways, we are ending the vlog here now. We are enjoying our stay here so far. First night namin dito. And it feels like,
And now I'm showing
comfortable.
my mole.
Okay.
So,
Daddy's watching his Yellowstone. Yellowstone. Sobrang lakas ng kanyang TV, guys. Daddy made me tea as well while we were, having a bath. But yeah. How are you feeling, Daddy? Daddy, how are you feeling?
Yeah, it's phenomenal.
Are you relaxing? Yeah. Just watching TV. Yeah, that's about it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. There'll be more adventures to come. So stay tuned for our future videos. But yeah, thank you for watching today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to give this a thumbs up if you like it. Thumbs up. And what?
And you will see. What is it again?
Possum.
Possum?
Yeah, we're just waiting for the possum to come down. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And we hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good. And if you can,
Bye.
bye, Dali. Adi, bye.
See you guys.
Bye now.
Bye bye.